Welcome, family members. Welcome, new family members. This is what we're having today. Oven baked ribs, corn, and toaster oven buttermilk biscuits. Come join me. Okay, I washed my ribs. I'm just gonna put some brown sugar in here and some salt. I suppose a couple teaspoons. I'm gonna put some garlic powder in here, probably about a tablespoon, or however you want it. I'm gonna put some paprika in there. I'm also gonna put just a little bit of ground mustard in there. Yeah, just a little bit. Put a little bit of cayenne in there because my husband can't have too much of it, so just a little bit. And I'm gonna put a little bit of the Memphis style barbecue seasoning in there. Now I've got my oven on 300 degrees. I don't have time for the grill today, so okay, I'm just gonna mix this up so I can use it as a rub. Whew, okay, hope I don't sneeze. That cayenne's already getting to me. Yes, yes, indeed. Okay. And I am going to pour more room here. Pack this on here. There we go. Now I'm going to cover that with foil. Cover this with foil, and I'm going to put these in the oven on 300 for a couple hours. I want them really tender, so I'm going to check them. I'll keep checking them. Might be longer than 2 hours because my oven's a little slow. Okay, we'll see you then. Okay, I am going to make some buttermilk biscuits to go with my ribs and corn on the cob. And I don't want to use the oven because I don't want to change the temperature, so I'm going to use my toaster oven. I'm going to start out with 4 cups of the my baking mix that I made, my homemade Bisquick mix. I'm going to use 4 cups of that. And I do have a video on that. lot for making these biscuits. It's easy. I just make it up, and then I'll have to make some more pretty soon. I put it in a thing here. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix that up. Now I'm going to add 1 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Okay. Just until moistened. It's very easy, so fast. Just whip up those good buttermilk biscuits. Okay, now I'm just going to put a little bit of flour here. I'm just going to put this out here. Oop, drop some on the floor, that's all right. Now I'm just going to fold it. Four, 5, 6, and 7. Now, I'm going to make thick ones because we like thick ones. So, I'm just going to use my little pan from the toaster oven. Pat that down. Probably get one more. Yep. Nice. This'll work. Now, that'll warm up a little bit. I'm going to brush a little buttermilk on the tops of these. These are going to be nice, really big. We like them like this. I'm gonna try to get the sides even here. Here we go. Now these will go in 15 or 20 minutes. We'll see what they look like. Okay, it worked out pretty good in the toaster oven. I just had to, it had to be 10 minutes longer. It took 30 minutes instead of 20. But yeah, kind of nice to know. Especially on hot summer days. I want biscuits, I can just put them in the toaster oven. Put a little melted butter. Get it down there, slap it in there. Yummy, yummy. So you learn something every day. I never thought about putting biscuits in a toaster oven before. I was just using it for warming up food and putting pizza in. So there you go. Learn something every day. Okay, these were in the oven for 3 hours on 300. And now I'm going to put the barbecue sauce on them. And I'm going to put them back in the oven on 450 because my broiler does not work. So get that barbecue sauce caramelized. I'm going to get rid of this, some of this liquid here. Turn these over. Now, my husband loves Sweet Baby Ray's, so that's what we're putting on there. It's hard to get that last little bit out, isn't it? Okay. We want lots of barbecue sauce on this. Okay, now I'm going to leave the foil off and I'm going to put that back in the oven to caramelize it. These are looking good. They are looking good. Oh yeah. Just fall apart. Can't tell where the bone's at. They're just falling apart. That's good. There we go. Hot, very hot. And the corn is done. Everything's done. So yeah, I can just put this plated up.
Thanks for joining me today for oven baked barbecue ribs, toaster oven biscuits, buttermilk biscuits, and corn. Delicious. It was easy. I didn't have to mess with it. I just put it in the oven I had it in the oven for 3-4 hours, and then on 300, and then I put it back in the oven with barbecue sauce on it at 450 for probably about 20 minutes. So let's try it. Very tender. I'm looking forward to these. I'm looking forward to getting messy. So once again, I appreciate all my subscribers, and I want to thank all the new subscribers. It's wonderful to have a big family, and I've mentioned it before. The main purpose of making this channel was to be a visual cookbook for my children, who some live in Minnesota, some don't. So it'll be nice for them to have, and that's why I started this channel. But now I just increased a large family. So family recipes for everyone. So we'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.